freezing in here. You couldn't start a fire now. You had to start it when the months were actually hot. Unhelpful. Ridiculous. Hi, everybody. It's getting cold outside, if you can't tell, and we're starting to bundle up. Now, print shops are usually pretty hot. You can walk around in the middle of January with only a t-shirt on and a pair of shorts and be totally fine. But not if you have RISOs. You're gonna stay cool all year round. Let's talk about it. It is so much warmer in here. Welcome back to Ink Drops, everybody. As always, I'm Talat. When you think of printers, you also probably think of heat. Hot paper that comes out, ink smudging, paper curling, and generally just a hot printing room or production floor. Well, RISOs are different. The reason your toner printer gets so hot is because it has fusers and dryers in it. See, toner is essentially a plastic that needs to be melted down and baked into the paper. And it needs to be hot to do that, right?
But the pages from my color copier come out so warm and toasty.
That heat causes paper curling and jamming. Not to mention those fusers and dryers need to be replaced more often than not. How well do you work in 100-degree heat? Exactly. You can't expect your printer to work well in those conditions either. Now, toner printers can get as hot as 400 degrees. That's turkey cooking temperature. RISO printers are different. There are no fusers or dryers in any of them. Heck, the only consumable in these things is the ink. So how does the whole thing even work? Let me show you. RISO force jet technology feeds the paper horizontally beneath a series of 24 inline piezo drop-on-demand print heads arranged in parallel. Piezo print heads use vibration to create ink droplets. The ink drops onto the paper, uncoated stock only, of course. The paper absorbs the ink and is instantly dry. Our straight paper path means your paper goes in on one side and comes out the other. No twists or rides will be taken. Also, because we used an oil-based ink, you're looking at water resistance, which means if it rains or snows and your documents get wet, your text will not smudge. Huh? Ready? Not too shabby, huh? Lack of heaters and fusers means you can plug your printers into a standard 110 volt outlet. This guy, right here. It's the same thing you plug this, a TV, or PlayStation into. It keeps your operating costs low and puts money back in your pocket. Don't need you. Heat degrades parts faster, which can take your printer down until you can get a tech out there to get it serviced. Now, let's talk about a RISO printer. No heat means your printer lasts longer and you don't need to call a technician nearly as much. It all adds up to increased uptime. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.